Peter and his family visit the beach every Saturday. Every week, the family gets in the car and travels several hours to the beach despite the fact that they live far away. Peter's parents like to spend their time at the beach. Peter and his siblings also love beach. The family dog adores the seashore. Going to the beach every week presents a challenge, though. Due to his long commutes, Peter's father becomes fatigued. The other members of the family become exhausted from spending so much time in the automobile. Getting to and from the beach takes too much time. According to Peter's mother, Peter and his sister get very upset. They had made some good friends at the beach and now they miss them. They used to play with sand on the beach. Peter's family had not visited the beach for 15 days. One day, Peter was doing his homework. His parents called him downstairs. Peter's father, "We have a surprise for you." Peter, "What is that?" Peter's father, "We are buying a house near the beach." Peter was overjoyed. He ran to tell this happy news to his sister. The whole family was happy. Now, Peter, along with his pup and family, lives near the beach. He plays with his friends in the evening. He is learning to swim too. His pup also loves playing in the water. The whole family is happy.